Hi everyone, it's Don and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, whenever I'm on a new ship, a lot of people have asked me now to do the room tour and show everybody what the new rooms look like. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm on the Sky Princess and I'm going to show you a deluxe balcony right after this. So just to show you, we're on Baja 617 and it's medallion class. First off, standard on this class of ship, the Royal class, look at the size of your closet area. It's huge, lots of room, suitcases down below. He's very comfortable, lots of room. Open her up, you have your typical storage, safe, pajamas, lots of room inside, as well as some room up top for more shelving. Lots of hangers, tons here, tons over there. And then we have our bathroom. Now, a lot of people find bathrooms are pretty tight. I just came on this ship with a brand new cruiser again, and she has the exact same size of bathroom, and she was amazed at how spacious it actually feels inside. So no, you're not going to fit 3 or 4 people in the bathroom, but it's plenty big, like lots of room. You don't have to worry about being squished or anything like that when you're inside. Nothing to worry about there. As you can see, wide angle now. Very nice, very comfortable, very well organized. No complaints about the bathroom. Full mirror. Hi everybody. And then we're into the cabin itself. Nice large size bed. I ordered some Diet Coke for my room ahead of time and just store some there. I'll have a few in the fridge and a few there for when I'm ready. It was sitting here waiting for me when I get on board. And the one thing that they have added, USB port beside the bed for charging your phone. So that was a good addition. I do like that. One thing I'm a little disappointed at, there's no plug. I would have liked a plug as well. But in this size room, I guess it's not too bad. Over here, you can see my workstation. I'm always working. You have North American plugs, you have European plugs. So if you actually bring on a couple of adapters with you, you can actually have more plugs than is designed for this room. So a little tip, if you have an international adapter, you can end up with 4 plugs where you don't have to have splitters or anything like that. So good sized desk. Look at the size of the TV. It's quite a large TV. And the bed is really quite a large size. And there's plenty of room to get by. Like, I'm not in any way squeezing myself to walk in and out of this room. Nice little sitting love seat. It's not as large as having the mini suite with the couch, but I'll take it. And I've been really enjoying the artwork on the ship as well. All the different locations. Like, this is a place from Norway. And so y'all know I miss Norway on my cruise. So now I have to go back. But let's take a quick look at the color scheme itself. It is a muted color, but it does kind of make it feel really homey. I really like the trim work along the ceilings, all the way around. It gives a wooden grain feel, a leather grain as your headrest. It just seems to work. It's very clean. Of course, it's brand new. and I do like the feeling of it. It feels very homey. It feels very relaxing, where some cruise lines you go on and it seems gaudy and bright, and just not a big fan of the bright colors in the stateroom. I like to be able to sleep a little bit. And this is the deluxe balcony. So let's take a quick peek outside. As you can see, there's plenty of room out here on these ones. I even have my tripod set up so when I can take some balcony pictures later, going in and out of port. But lots of room on the balcony. Not the best day out there, but any day at sea is still better than a day at home or at work. Got to admit that. So there you go. This is the stateroom, deluxe balcony, Baja 617. Very comfortable, very clean. You have your mini fridge, your bar. You probably noticed I have a, well, I can't get the camera around. There you go. Mini bar set up all here. I never end up drinking it. I am not a big drinker, so if I'm lucky, I get to one of those little bottles on the entire cruise. But yeah, I do like the room. I think it's very comfortable. I think it's very neutral, good size, good space. 2 people on this size bed. There's no problem sleeping. I just got off another cruise ship, and even the beds together would have been a few inches smaller on each side for people. The bedding was very comfortable, very luxurious, and we had really good night's sleep last night. So there's no issue there. Yeah, no complaints about the stateroom at all. Once again, this is a deluxe balcony, but it's very quiet, very smooth. We're lower to the water, so there's not as much rocking. We're on deck 11. So yeah, I so far, I give it a thumbs up because I do like the design. It's kind of standard with the others of a Royal class ship, but it does seem like the bedding is a little more luxurious than on some of the other ships, and I definitely like the color scheme. And that kind of coincides with what I feel about a lot of the parts on the new ship. They changed a few things on this ship. So when I do my ship tour, I'll let you know what I like and what I dislike about it. But there are some pretty big changes compared to other Royal class cruise ships. So I hope you stay tuned for that. Well, I hope you appreciate this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.